All right, we back once again with a quick one. I just wanted to follow up with essentially the Tickeron calls of the week so far and how the signals played out from the watch list we created on Sunday. Link in the description to that video from Sunday if you want to see how the watch list was developed into finding these plays. But so far, we're just kind of looking at the video from last night. The way that one worked out was COP was hit on the watch list on Sunday as an energy play. Then we got a signal yesterday that emerged and confirmed on the same day. The breakout entry price, if you can see that, we're just gonna bring this up here. You can see that was 105.27, and so we could go look at COP here and see how it played out. I'm just gonna kind of get rid of all my extra garbage on here. You can see the 105 breakout, 105.27 was right there, and its target, the target wasn't that high. It was 107.56, so you had the play from 107.56, so just to about like right there. So this actually caught this little move right in here, and if we measure that out, it's a nice 2% call from Tickeron on that one. And then the next one, and we're going to look at some more tonight here, the new calls. So AR, this one I don't think played out, 43.32. Yeah, this one got, maybe it did. Let me see here. Where's the session breaks here? Okay, so that's when the day started. So 43, let's just do this real quick so I can see it. 43.32 was the breakout to the upside. So 43.32. I didn't get to play these because I was kind of busy with my actual job, but actually in the pre-market you did see some movement into these levels. So this might be something to keep an eye out on, the pre-market levels playing out with the breakouts. So if you see something like that, but they actually did hit the breakout there, and this actually did play out from what I can tell. 43.32 to 43.97, not a huge play. 43.97, but a safe and easy play. So this one actually did play out as well for about 1.5% on that signal. And then this one, I'm not sure if it played out, but let's go look at it real quick. CWEN. That was a short with a dead cat bounce here. So target price was 39.14 to 38.78. So actually, look at that. That one played out perfectly as well. 39.14. So I'm just kind of marking these out here. 39.14 to 38.78. So that one almost played out perfectly as well. So obviously I've got Heiken Ashy candles, so it's going to look a little different than, you can probably see the pattern a little better with just like a line chart or something like that. But yeah, that one played out as well. So far, 3 for 3. You know, you got to kind of figure out how to play these, but 3 for 3 so far. If you're just playing shares or whatever, that one was just for a small little, basically not even 1% there on the short side. But so far those played out. So now let's go look at any signals that were developed today. Let's go see. Sorry, I wasn't really prepared. I'm just kind of doing this, but let's see here. So we need to go to our real-time patterns. We still have our watch list uploaded into the real-time feed. And so the only pattern from our watch list today that showed up was BEP. So we're going to look at it here. And so we got a signal here. So keep this in mind. Your breakout was 38.81, 39.22, 38.81, 39.22. So you got a little bit more upside in this guy right here because the breakout has already taken place. 38.81. So you could probably use that as a support, but this one is still has a little bit more room to run before you can catch a little bit of a scalp there. It's only about 1% room there, but we do have a 57% confidence and not a lot of room there. But this is just another signal that came from our watch list. Again, go back and watch the other videos to see how this was developed. Basically, we got a watch list here, and then the real-time scanner throwing us signals that get generated throughout the day. The signals are coming from 5, 15, 30, and 1, so they're just going to be sort of just day trade setups. You could probably set this up to where you get swing trade setups where it'll look for patterns on the larger time frames. This is just the 30-minute time frame. Now let's go see if we can add some more tickers to our watch list. We have our weekly bullish watch list going, but since we're a couple days into the week, I'm just going to kind of see what's been performing best right here. So we got non-energy minerals, energy minerals, industrials, biotech. I'm going to go ahead and just grab a couple of these and just do the scanner I like best. Just to start off with is doing the fundamental analysis score, the technical analysis score. We hit those both on positive, and then we go bullish for the AI predictions in the next week, since we're just looking for day trades here at this point. If you're looking for swing trades and things like that, I would just be looking for this AI predictions maybe in the next week and the next month. But in this case, I'm just looking for in the next week. So we got COP showing up again. So that's good. If we see some more patterns that show up on COP, then we'll be able to capitalize on those. We had 19 tickers showing up here, so that's great. That's a nice little setup there. A lot of these are already on the watch list, mainly because we've already kind of filtered for them at the beginning of the week. We looked at them yesterday as well. This energy was still performing the best. So we're still going to kind of stick with this theme here. Now, we might not take all of these. Just kind of look through here. We probably don't want to take tallow. I saw that one actually go down after hours. So let's just do that, and then we'll get rid of the ones. Since everything else is showing bullish on monthly on the next month, we'll just get rid of the stuff that doesn't. And this one doesn't. This one's not really bullish for next week, so we'll get rid of that one. It's just kind of a quick way to just filter out of some of this. That one went down after hours. I'm glad I saw some bearish flow on that one. Don't want to mess with that. So here's all of these are at least bullish on the weekly and bullish on the monthly. So in essence, we could probably just do that. I'm not sure why this one showed up if it's not bullish. It says it's bullish, but it's just really neutral. Okay, so there's one way to kind of filter it out. And then, so maybe we will just do this. Filter all that other garbage out of there, since it's knocked out 4 of them. So we're positive on the fundamental analysis and technical analysis on all of these. Chart-wise, I don't really like the way that's looking. That one looks really bad. We don't want stuff that's going from the left to right down. This one sort of looks like a little dip. I'm going to get rid of those as well. So we're going to actually knock those out of there as well. Anything that didn't really perform well today should not be on the list, as it's all kind of energy related. Energy went up today, so we're going to copy those to the clipboard, and then we'll come back over here to our real-time scanner, and then we'll just add those puppies continue adding them to the watch list as time goes on until energy becomes not a thing. So now we've got quite a few tickers in here that's being scanned, and everything that's being added to the watch list is being added from the screener. That's basically the AI is predicting bullish. It's got good fundamental analysis, got good technical analysis, and it's within energy, which within a sector or industry that's outperforming right now. So pretty good odds on all of this stuff if you're looking bullish. So the bearish play worked. We were looking at AR as bearish. That one worked, but yeah, it was only a 1% play where you had COP work, and COP was more than it even overshot the play. So a lot of these moves I'm noticing are happening in the after hours. So that's kind of interesting. We'll keep an eye on that. If that keeps happening, we'll have to get into the play at close essentially, and be looking at this before the close at these signals instead of looking at them the next day. So anyways, hopefully you like this. Tickeron is free for a lot of these tools. Some of them you got to pay for. They do have a sale going on. You can get the buy and sell daily signals at least. You get that for only $39 a year. Make sure to use my link in the description. It's much appreciated. Anyways, like and subscribe and comment if you like this. See you next time. Peace.